Hello everybody, welcome to Ira's continuing business video series on YouTube. Today I want to talk to you about the power of building a network, a large network, not just online. I'm not talking about just social media here. I'm talking about a big network, both online and in person. Why do you want to have a large network? Well, I'll tell you why I like to have a large network. The reason why I like to have a large network is for a few reasons. A, it gives me more access to information. It gives me access to bounce ideas off of people. And sometimes, what I think from my point of view is a great idea, and I run it by an SME, a subject matter expert that I know in my network. They'll go, no, here's why you don't want to do that. This calamity will happen. And you're like, man, I'm so glad that I ran that by you before I just did it, because it seemed like a great idea to me, right? I have been in the print business for 20 years. That's pretty much all I've done since I got out of school. And so by having a large network, it allows me access to experts in so many other fields, right? So I don't just associate with print folks. I'm not saying that I won't associate with people in the print business. Of course, they speak my language. I love talking to them, but so much more. If you're an architect, or if you're a cook, or if you're an auto mechanic, or if you're a hairdresser, or, fill in the blank occupation, banker, accountant, tax attorney, I don't care. Whatever it is that you do, if you're not in the print business, I still want to get to know you. I still want to talk to you. I still want to have access to ask you questions, and vice versa. I don't mind doing the same thing, the win-win philosophy, right? I don't mind answering your print-related questions. Or now a lot of people are reaching out to me about, how to get a job, or finding a job, or a career coach, or getting your resume written, or whatever, because of my project Help You Grow. It doesn't matter. I don't mind doing that. That's the power of networking. Also, I love the fact that it allows me access to other areas of the world. I'm getting to learn about different places and cultures. And when somebody from another place asks me for help, where if I was just for me, Ira the printer, I wouldn't be able to help them. But because my network has grown, I'm able to help people in China, and Japan, and Korea, and Australia, and all over Europe, in Canada, and Mexico, down in Brazil. I mean, just all over the place. I'm able to help people that I would have never ever been able to help if I had been closed-minded or closed off. So the power of the network does quite a bit. It gives me access to information. It gives me access to referral and reference. It also allows me to learn, and it's good, right? The power of community, as opposed to being isolated and not only having my own perspective, only having my own thoughts and whatever I can find online, right? And the network saves me time. It grants me power, and it makes me, frankly, more helpful. And it's also fun. It's fun to interact with other people. The humanity of the world seems to be kind of narrowing off. But by keeping your network large, or growing your network, and being engaged in your network, it can actually do the opposite. It can help you make friendships and not feel so lonely. Anyways, those are some of the reasons why I like to have an expansive network, and I hope it was helpful. My name is Ira Bowman. If you have a comment or a suggestion, I'd love to read it down below, and I hope you have a great day. Talk to you again real soon.